There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in slate blue pearl. With bi-XENON HID projector headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TRAC system, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5713.